So I hear you're looking to move to Lebanon Township. I have the house for you. Majestic, meticulous, and luxurious. 19 Windy Heights Road sits on a little over 3 acres in a highly sought-after cul-de-sac neighborhood, just moments from the charming town of Califon, New Jersey. The heart of the home is the incredible great room, boasting a soaring cathedral ceiling and a cozy gas fireplace. Adjacent to the great room, you'll find a spacious living room perfect for intimate gatherings. And for formal occasions, the elegant dining room provides a sophisticated backdrop for memorable meals. Prepare to be inspired in this gourmet kitchen, featuring an oversized center island with a breakfast bar, abundant cabinetry, and top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances. Escape to the tranquility of the vaulted ceiling conservatory, a versatile space perfect for enjoying the natural beauty of your surroundings year-round. For those who work from home, a dedicated office space provides a quiet and productive environment. Throughout the home, you'll appreciate the beautiful wood floors that adds warmth and elegance. Retreat to the expansive primary bedroom suite, a true oasis. This luxurious space includes a comfortable sitting room with a double-sided fireplace, a generous walk-in closet, and dressing area, ensuring ample storage and style. This exceptional home continues to impress with a large bedroom featuring its own private bath, as well as 2 additional well-sized bedrooms connected by a convenient Jack and Jill style bathroom. Beyond the beauty of this remarkable home lies the undeniable charm of Califon, New Jersey. Just a short drive away, this quaint town offers a delightful array of local shops, restaurants, and community events. Enjoy strolling through its picturesque streets, supporting local businesses, and experiencing the friendly atmosphere that makes Califon so special. This extraordinary Lebanon Township residence offers refined country living with exceptional amenities and an enviable location. Welcome home to luxury, convenience, and tranquility. Thank you for joining me on this tour of 19 Windy Heights Road in Lebanon. For more information about this property, check out our website at luxservicegroup.com, and don't forget to follow us on YouTube.